morning, boys and girls. My name is Chef Francis, and I'm so excited to be here today because today is Pie Day. And what is the best way to celebrate on Pie Day? Well, to make a pie. And so today I'm going to show you how to make a custard pie. To make a pie, you need two things. Number one, the crust. And so here I have some mini pie crusts that are already baked and smell absolutely delicious, and we're gonna make our pie inside this little crust. And of course, because it is a custard pie, I have my custard here. And you see, I put the custard in a piping bag, and later I'm gonna show you how to use this to make our filling inside the pie. And it wouldn't be a good custard pie if we did not have some delicious fruit. So I have some cocktail fruit, I also have some pineapple, and of course I have delicious candied cherries. Or we don't want to eat this one right now, but anyway, maybe later. Looks like I have everything. Oh, I almost forgot. I got some whipped cream because it's going to be extra rich and extra delicious and extra smooth. Can't wait to try our pie. So let's get started and make our custard pie. First, we need to put our custard in our pie crust. So how do we do that? So as you see here with my piping bag, there's a little hole there. So we have to be extra careful when we turn this thing upside down. And we're going to use two hands. So the first hand is, you're just gonna hold the bag in your hand, your left hand or your right hand, whatever hand you're more comfortable with. I like to use my left hand. So my left hand, I will just hold the bag like this. And with my right hand, I will put it on top like this. And I will push like this with my right hand to let the custard come out. And as you see, it's already coming out. Whoop, whoop. I cut it with my finger. And so we're gonna do this and we're gonna push just a little bit. Let's see how that works. Okay, boys and girls, when we put the custard, we want to push gently on the piping bag, and as you see, the custard will come out nicely like that. We don't want to put too much. We go about halfway through the pie crust. Then we'll give it a little tap, just like that, and it will settle nicely in the bottom of the crust. Then we can add our fruit. Here I have some peaches, some pears. I'm going to add a little bit of pineapple. Just like that. Whoops, it's okay. If it falls on the side, you can pick it up and just put it back in like that. Nice. Now we're going to add just a little bit more custard on the top, just to give it a little extra flavor, just like that. Oh, three little dots. Oh, one more. And just like that. And finally, we're going to put our whipped cream. You may ask your teacher to help you with that because we don't want to make a mess. And here we are, just like that. And we finish our pie with the cherry on top. So here it is, boys and girls, our delicious custard pie. You see, it's very easy to make a custard pie. Now, what you need to do is you take the pie out, or you can use a fork and a knife or a spoon, but I like to just eat it like this. Bon appetit! I bet you can't wait to go make your pie. Happy Pie Day!